Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Senzo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So singer Khumalo went on to 702's Unplugged with Kileborile Mabuja and talked about the Senzo Her's murder case after the public called for her music to be cancelled. Kelly said, and I quote, "First of all, I'm not coping, I'm living. Secondly, the noise is external, has absolutely nothing to do with me. When I'm needed and when the time is right, the world will hear my voice. You cannot cancel what you have not created."
First of all, I'm not coping. I'm living. And secondly, the noise is external, has absolutely nothing to do with me. When I'm needed and when the time is right, the world will hear my voice. They will not hear my voice when they feel they should. When the time is right and when God allows, then they will hear my voice. So whatever noise that they are making has absolutely nothing to do with me. Whatever personal feelings they have towards me, I feel like it's a projection. Because this is not the only case that has been a failure when it comes to the justice or South African justice system. We have a problem when it comes to the South African justice system. But for some reason, because there's Kelly Khumalo involved, we want to make it something peculiar, something that is different, something that has never happened before. It is something that a lot of South Africans are going through on a daily basis. Why is it different? Because there's a Kelly Khumalo involved. I know there's a cancel, community. You cannot cancel what you have not created.
Now, Advocate for has alleged that he has a witness who's willing to testify that Kelly Khumalo mistakenly shot Senzo Her. Check out this video and please do not forget to comment and tell me what you think about this whole thing. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Here's the video.
I put it to you, Mr. Musia, that witness, not just witness, eyewitness, will testify that Senzo Robert Meyiwa was allegedly shot by a non-Tlantla Kelly Khumalo by mistake, as it's alleged.